Assalamu alaikum. Hello. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to this fun and exciting video all about direct and indirect speech. Today we are not just learning, we are going to enjoy this. In this video, we'll explore something super useful for school, direct and indirect speech. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. By the end of this, you'll know how to report what someone says in two cool ways and will make it interactive and fun. Let's dive in. So, students, come on, let's break it down. Did you know there are two ways to share what someone said? First, we have direct speech where you quote their exact words, and second, there's indirect speech where you rephrase what they said. Think of it as choosing between a photo and a sketch. Both tell the story but in different ways. Let's see how it works. What is direct speech? Alright, let's zoom in on direct speech. What does it mean? Simple. Direct speech is when you repeat someone's exact words just as they said them and put those words inside quotation marks. For example, if someone says, I will be coming home tonight, that's direct speech. It's like hitting copy paste for the words, word for word. Pretty cool, right? Now, students, let's talk about indirect speech for exclamatory sentences. These sentences express emotions like joy, sorrow, or wonder. For example, hurrah, we won the match. This shows excitement, while else, I failed the test, shows sadness. Or how about wow, what a nice shirt it is, expressing amazement? When converting these to indirect speech, we focus on the emotion and rephrase the sentence without quotation marks. Let's see how to do it. Let's see how to transform exclamatory sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. The key is to add phrases like exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with sorrow, or exclaimed with wonder in the reporting verb depending on the emotion being expressed. Here's an example. Yes, come on, read. I hope you've understood direct speech. Now let's move on to indirect speech for imperative sentences. These are sentences that express commands, requests, advice, or suggestions. For example, open the door, please help me, and learn your lessons are all imperative sentences. In indirect speech, we rephrase them, often using reporting verbs like asked, told, advised, or suggested. Next slide is indirect speech for interrogative sentences. So, let's talk about indirect speech for interrogative sentences or questions. When changing a question into indirect speech, we need to first look at the type of question it is. There are two main types, yes, no questions, which can be answered with a simple yes or no. Number 2, WH questions that require a more detailed explanation like what, where, or how questions. We will change the sentence According to these rules, let's dive deeper into each type and how we turn them into indirect speech. Students, let's look at an example. Direct, they said to me, "Did you go to school?" And indirect, well, they ask me if I had gone to school. Notice now how we change the question into a statement and use if or whether for yes or no questions. Let's explore more examples to see how this works. Yes, my dear student, what are you thinking now? Are you thinking how do we change direct speech to indirect speech? Don't worry. Let's look at how tenses change when we turn direct speech into indirect speech. My dear students, here is the table. I want you to read so you'll come to know how tenses change when we turn direct speech into indirect speech. See, here you can see another table and it tells you about time, expressions, and adverb changes in indirect speech. I want you to read because these changes help us adjust the time frame when reporting speech. Let's take a look at examples to see how it works. Children, here I've shared some examples and key points for you to remember. Take your time to read them carefully, understand the rules, and practice converting sentences from direct to indirect speech. The more you practice, the easier it will become. So go ahead and give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have understood everything about direct and indirect speech. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care.